Hey, it's Terry. I just finished recording a mini workshop from Stuck to Flow. It's for people who have tried, everything to feel better. Now try doing nothing. Well, close to nothing anyway. Stop forcing, start flowing, let life move through you. After I started trusting and letting go of control, which this mini course is all about, I cannot tell you. I have money now. I travel the world and get paid for it. Did not see that one coming. And we'll be talking about why you're stuck, how you can manifest with the flow, how to communicate clearly with the universe, tune into guidance, how to recognize signs. Is this a sign or is not a sign? Is this my imagination? I don't know. We'll figure that one out. Trust and let go, how to know what action to take and what not to do is probably even more important. Potential pitfalls to watch out for. And I will leave you in the workshop with a 3-step tip on what to do every day. What happened for me is my life switched from quite a challenge to an adventure. Because now I am observing all the cool stuff that is happening. And I'm going with the flow. That's what this workshop is all about. So if you want to take a look at it, just click the link. And I'll see you on the other side.